This question was asked in exam for 7 mark. Show that cube roots of the unity form an abelian group under multiplication. Okay. Now let G be 1 omega and omega square. So this can form a cube roots now. So how do you write? Under multiplication it is. So write here 1 omega square. Here also 1 omega square. And before writing this, always remember there is a formula. Omega cube is always 1 and omega raised to 4 is nothing but omega cube into omega. So 1 into omega is omega. Now 1 into 1, 1 into omega, 1 into omega square, omega into 1, omega into omega square, omega into omega square, omega cube. So I'm going to write 1 again. Omega square into 1, omega square into omega cube. So answer is 1. Omega square into omega square, omega raised to 4. So what it is? Again omega. Fine. Now write down. Now write a closure property. All the entries in the table are same as the elements of the set. Okay. So closure property holds good. Now next comes what? Associative property. As you know that A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Now A I will consider it as a 1. Star in the sense into omega star omega square C. So here 1 star omega square. 1 into omega is omega. Okay. So A is 1, B is omega, C is omega square. A is 1, B is omega, C is omega square. 1 into omega is omega. I have written here. Write omega square. Now 1 star omega into omega square is how much? Omega cube. That is nothing but 1. So omega into omega square is 1. And 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, associative property is holds good. Means LHS is equal to RHS. Identity element next now. Identity element. Always remember under multiplication identity element is 1. Next comes inverse element. Every element has a inverse. Now inverse of 1 is 1. Inverse of 1 is equal to 1. Now inverse of omega means omega square. Omega is omega square. Now inverse of omega square is omega, because identity element is 1. We have to focus on identity element. So inverse of omega square is omega, because omega in square into omega will get 1. Commutative property A star B is equal to B star A holds good. Okay. Therefore, cube roots of unity form an abelian group. This is how you should write the entire answer. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the fourth root of unity. This question was also asked in exam 9C. Okay, show that fourth roots of a unity form an abelian group under multiplication. Now G value will be 1 minus 1 I minus I. Now how do you write this? In the form of table. Multiplication is there, so write here 1 minus 1 I minus I. Write here 1 minus 1 I minus I. Okay. Now before starting this, let me tell you, I square is always minus 1. Minus I square is 1. Now 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into I. 1 into minus I, minus I. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus of minus is plus 1. This will be minus. This will be plus I into 1, I minus I into I square. So what I must write? Minus 1. I into minus I is minus I square. So it is 1. This will be minus I. This will be I. Minus I into I is minus I square. So it is 1. Minus into minus is plus. I into I square is minus 1. I hope you understood this. This is how you need to write the table. Now after this, closure property. All the entries in the table are same as the element of the given set. Therefore, closure property holds good. Now next comes associative property. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Now let me consider A as a 1 star, B as a I star, and C as a minus I. Okay. Now this side also 1 star I star minus I. Okay. Now 1 star I means 1 into I is how much? I star minus I. Okay, is equal to 1 star I into I square. I square means minus 1 means minus I square means 1. 1 into 1 is 1. I into I minus I is minus I square. So it is 1. So this is true. LHS is equal to RHS. Associative property holds good. Now next comes identity element. Okay. Now identity element exists, and in under multiplication the identity element is 1. Okay. Now next is inverse element. Now inverse depends upon the identity. So let me mark like this here. You will understand much better. So inverse of 1 is 1 because its identity is 1. So inverse of 1 is 1. Inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Inverse of I is minus I. Inverse of minus I is I. Inverse of minus I is I. So that we get 1 there. Okay. 1 is 1, minus 1 is minus 1, I is minus I is I. Now last one is commutative property. What does commutative property says? A star B is equal to B star A. Holds good. You can take 1 and minus 1 and you can prove it. Minus 1 into 1. Therefore, G comma star is an Abelian group, or you can write fourth root of a unity of an Abelian group under multiplication is an Abelian group. Now one more question. Show that square roots of a unity form an Abelian group under multiplication. So write G, since it is a square, so you should write 1 minus 1. That's it. Now how do you write the table? This is multiplication. 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Okay. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is a plus 1. Okay. Now you have to prove these properties. Closure property. All the entries in the table are same as element of the given set. Therefore, closure property holds good. Now under multiplication, always the identity element will be 1. Now inverse of element. Now we are focusing on identity element. 1 inverse is 1 itself. minus 1 inverse is minus 1. Now next one is commutative property. A star B is equal to B star A. 1, okay, let me prove here. 1 star minus 1 is equal to minus 1 star 1. Okay, so how much it will be? Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So commutative property also holds good. Therefore G star is an abelian group, or square root of unity form an abelian group under multiplication. This is how you need to write. I hope you understood all the three. One is cube root, one is fourth root, and one is square root.